So what's up guys, andito na naman tayo sa isang laro na tinatawag na Nightmare Gate. Isang Nightmare Gate, nakakatakot daw na tawag doon, gate. Baduy. So yun nga, nagbabalik tayo sa panabago na lalaro na Nightmare Gate. And sabihin natin mag-subscribe ka na para mag-isang mga bago na i-upload mga videos. And scope tayo na natin dyan. Sabi nito, enemies run slowly, malamang kasi normal mode lang. The most important is to avoid being heard. Okay, so kailangan pala hindi tayo makikinig ng walang yan bakulaw na to. Sabi nito, Will was alone in his bed. Okay, shocked by his mother who had just left the room, shutting the door behind her. He felt safe and comforted by a small night lamp that projected fantastic images on the walls of his room. So blah blah blah. Sige na, okay na. Okay, gumising na tayo sa ating higaan habang ang aking nanay ay nasa labas daw. So, okay, ma'am! Gusto ko ng merienda. Joke lang. So, welcome down. We're waiting for you. Okay. Oh, open. Where are you going? Go back to your book and crouch. Okay, para hindi pa tayo makita. Ano yung kalaban natin dito? Ito. Meet your sister in the living room and remember to stand up as not to wake up, okay? The doors of the Nightmare Gate have been opened for you. When closing it, remember not to look back. The door of the Nightmare Gate have been opened for you. Okay. Hello. Oh shit, puta. Ina mo. I did not expected that. Putang ina. Grabe jumpscare agad. Mayroon si Skona. Broom, broom, broom. Sabi niya, bug, 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 bug. We're going. Go back to your room. Okay, so kailangan pa natin umupo dito sa panaginip na naman. Walang yan na yan. Ma'am. Alright, now you can walk around and open doors without being may just say the living room. Remember to stand up and not wake your parents, okay? Hello po. How are you? Shouldn't make any noise. I'll keep my head down, okay? Okay. So, hi. Nancy, what are you doing there? Oh, what are you doing there? Hi, Nancy. Can you hear them too? Can you hear them too? Sheesh. Ano yun? Mom. Who's that? Okay, ano yun? Well, we're home. Wake up and had all been nightmare. Will repeated to himself. Excuse to the shot, but when I open my eyes, I'll be right in my hand. So, panaginip lang? Lahat ng ito? So, what is this? Mom? I don't know where to take a said. Hey. Okay, take the apple from the table. Take the apple from the table. Paano kung ayaw ko? Hindi ko makontrol. Save position while playing. Installations. Okay. I don't know where they taken your sister. Shush. May kamay dun. What the fuck? Emily, high five, boy. High five. Okay. Oh, shit. May nagpakita na. Grabe ka naman. Sa babae pala tayo dito. Sheesh! What the fuck? Sheesh! Oh my god, sinila niya. Kinatay na siya. Grabe yan. Sheesh! My goodness. So marami para kami dito Hey, come here, walk approach and don't make any noise. Hi po! Shit! What the fuck? Ba't hindi? Shish! Shish! Shish, ayun siya. Hi, bossing! Ano ito? Okay, we got the freaking coins. Grabe, may pangit dun. Tara na. Let's go. So, may kita tayo dito. Gabi, takbo, tamakbo ka kaibigan, hanggat gusto mo. Gagi, patay ako, patay. Shush, Sheesh! Sheesh! Grabe naman yan. Nakita niya ako, why? Wala, pabalik-balik siya dito. Boss. Bossing. Wala, hindi tayo nakita. So marami. Op. Ito, the best meat at the best price. Ina. So gagawin pala tayong meat dito. Hindi ko alam, parang hindi naman tayo nakikita eh, no? Ba't di tayo pinapatay nito? There requires screwdrivers to open it. So we need the freaking screwdriver here. Ito. Okay, part of the screwdriver. Okay. So let's try to find the other parts. Okay. Ay, grabe, patay. Shush, sinasapak ako. Ba't mo naman ako sinasapak ng ganyan? Huwag mo naman ako sasapakin. Grabe ka naman makasapak. So, we have the very bongbong. Oh, I see. Okay. Grabe, may kamay. Ano yun? Ay, grabe. Ito tayo ng kakain. Ito. Was. Ay. Wala. Ano yun? With Q. Wala. Oh. So, yun nga muna. So, hindi ko alam bakit hindi tayo makatakas dito. So, yung umpisa nakakatawa siya, may jumpscare. And yes, hindi naman siya nakakatawa. So, sa tingin ko pa, siguro tingnan natin kung gagawa natin ito yung part 2. And comment down below kung sino part 2. At ikaw mga topic ng videos natin. Yun lang. And it's me again, Mark. Stay cool. Stay cool. Sila lang. And bye-bye. Goodbye.